today we're going to show you how to change the cartridges on the HP Deskjet D1360. So with the power on, we're going to begin by lifting the lid of the printer. Now the cartridge cradle will move into the printer as so we can access the cartridges. To change the cartridges, we simply just pull the cartridge down slightly and you'll hear it click out, and same with the black there. And to replace the cartridges, we simply just pop the cartridge in like that until it clicks, and again the same with the black there. And then we'll just close the lid and the printer will know that we have changed the cartridges. Okay, so the printer will take a second now just to register the cartridges, and it should print as normal. If you want to do any head cleans or some test pages, we've got links to those videos on our channel as well. If you did enjoy this video and it was helpful, please give it a like. If you've got any questions or want to see anything else, please ask in the comments. But that's everything. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.